Hello, good morning. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today I'm going to talk about the new YouTubers, about their problems and as well as their solutions. Nowadays, everyone wants to create a YouTube, wants to start, wants to become a YouTuber. Why? Because they look at the YouTuber celebrities, their earnings, their living, everything. After looking at them, they feel that they too should gain name, fame, money, everything. And that is why they start YouTube. First of all, about the college going students or those who are pursuing your education, for you, my humble request is do it as a part time. First, pay attention at your education. Education is very, very important. So, don't neglect your education and do this YouTube as a part time. Otherwise, you are wasting 1 or 2 hours. That time you can invest on YouTube. Now, being a YouTuber, okay, you started your YouTube. You have uploaded videos. In the beginning, what happens? You will be waiting that you will get more views and your video will run everywhere, etc. But what happens? Views will be 3, 4, 5, 6 like that within one unit, single unit. Then you'll feel little bit down. Then again you motivate yourself and you upload the second, third, goes on. But the number of the views never goes more than 100. Then many times you will be disappointed. And many of you will even leave off quitting YouTube. Now, what are the things you should need in the beginning, or what are the problems of the new YouTubers? First thing is, they don't have the resources as the established YouTubers have. It can be lighting, it can be their studio and all these things. Like the established YouTubers, these new YouTubers may not have all these things. That is the first thing. That is why the level of the video, that is, it can be audio, it can be video, whatever, it may not be of that quality like the established YouTubers. Second thing is, these new YouTubers, they only feel that they should start a YouTube. They are not bothered how to attain knowledge about that. So what I tell you is, first acquire knowledge. Acquiring knowledge is very, very important. Acquire knowledge, and still you are young, you are having a lot of time ahead. So acquire good, complete knowledge and then start it and then go ahead. And the third thing is, they don't have patience. You are knowing even these well-established YouTubers, ask them. They might have needed 1 year, 2 years, or some even might be more. and whereas you want within 2 or 3 days. No success you will get within such a short time unless and until you are so lucky. So you should have patience. You have to work. See, everywhere you have to work first. After working, at the end of the month, you will be getting your payment. Am I right? Even when you work anywhere in the office, you have to work full month, and then at the end of the month you will get your salary. So have patience. But here the period might be long as well. It can be 1 year, 2 years, God knows. So have patience. And next is, there should be consistency. It is not once in a blue moon day you upload a video, then forgot everything about it, and after a month again you started. No, there should be consistency. It can be daily, it can be once in 2 days, it can be once in 3 days, it can be once in a month, it can be once in a week, whatever it is. But there should be consistency. It is very, very important. And next is content. That is the heart of the video. Because all other things will be aside if your content is good. If your content is unique, nobody will be bothered about your liking, about your lighting, about your setting and all your resources. Nothing, nobody will be bothered. So, have a good content. While choosing the content, it should be unique. It should not be the same which everybody is using. Or even if it is the same, it should be old wine in a new bottle. The presentation should be different. The description should be different. Something different. There should be uniqueness in that. Something new. Some new idea should be there. Then only people will like your video. Another very important thing is, you should have a good knowledge about your audience. That which type of subscribers you are having and their liking. And according to that, your video should run. And moreover, whenever you are choosing a topic, whichever, let it be motivational, let it be on games, let it be on cooking, on anything, you should have the real interest. You should have the passion. Don't do anything for the sake of money. If you are having passion, you will get money. So passion is very, very important. If you are having passion, then naturally you will be getting new ideas. So have a passion. So choose the topic of your passion. If you go according to your passion, then you are knowing, naturally your videos will be outstanding. They will be awesome. Everyone will like it because there is some uniqueness in that. There is some special in that. There is something different than the others in your video. So, for the new YouTubers, I advise you, don't get disappointed. Even in the beginning, in the short term, even if you don't get success, go on doing it with full consistency, full passion, with patience. Go on doing it. As you go on doing it, one day or the other, success will be yours. That is 100%. That is 100%. So go on doing. Don't get depressed. If you are having real passion in that, if you are having real interest in that, don't quit it. Go ahead. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.